Once again, good afternoon, dear student. It has been a long time and late also, but not too late. I am again here before all of you. Dear student, we have completed up to chapter 4 and we will be continuing our next chapter, that is chapter 4, that is the lap of honor in our next classes. Before that, dear student, we have to know about the person about whom we are going to read in that lesson, the lap of honor. We have to know something about him, a little bit knowledge we must have in our mind, so that it may be good enough to have more information while we are on our move to the different paragraphs of the lesson. Now, dear student, the lap of honor in chapter 4, we are going to read about Murray Halberg. Murray Halberg, long distance runner. Dear student, lots of people takes birth on earth and leaves the earth when the time comes. During this time, that is called span of life. During this span of life, people do different kinds of work that makes them prestigious and more unique than other in the world. There are many great people we come to know while we study. These great people, they did a lot of hard work to achieve their goal. They had the great determination to fulfill their dreams. Today we come across many great peoples, great personalities in our books, in the magazines, in the newspaper, and so on. Dear student, we must read about them and we must have the inspirational steps from them. They have worked very hard. They were a determined person, so they achieved their success. Dear student, I can say that, Athava, it is said that don't judge a book by its cover. I will add something to it. Don't let you observe by the people by your cover. Let the people judge you by your intellectual, your talent. That is how you can prove to the world and be successful in future. Dear student, among these lots of great people, among them we come across Murray Halberg. Though he was disabled person एक शारीरिक रूप से डिसेबल होते हुए भी he was able to earn his name and fame throughout the world, so that we are reading today and the whole world they knew about him. Let us go through it, dear student. Murray Halberg. Let us read something over here. On the screen you can see there Sir Murray Gordon Halberg, ONZ MBE. ONZ and MBE. It is ONZ. It means the Order of New Zealand. It is the highest honor given to the person by the Royal Honor System in New Zealand. अब MBE का मतलब होता है the Most Excellent Order of the British Empire. It is also an honor given, it is also a title, or it is also honor given to a person who contributes to the arts and science work of charity and does something for the and works with the welfare organization and does the charitable work. So this is the title given to him, Sir Murray Gordon Halberg, 1Z MBE. He is from New Zealand. He is from New Zealand and he is a middle distance runner. We will be learning more about him. Let us see his born, BOR and born, Janm 7 July 1933. At the age of 86 years, he got expired. Eketahunga, New Zealand, Education Avondale College, Awards Order of New Zealand. न्यूजीलैंड से सम्मानित सिस्टम, वहाँ का ऑनर सिस्टम, उसको ONZ एक टाइटल, उसको सम्मानित टाइटल देके सम्मानित किया गया हुआ है. Now let us move to next phase. Now let us go little bit short description about him. Murray Halberg, Sir Murray Gordon Halberg, 1Z MBE, born 7 July 1933, is a New Zealand former middle distance runner who won the gold medal in the 5,000 meters event at the 1960 Olympics. 1960 Olympics में वो दौड़ के 5,000 मीटर रेस में उसने गोल्ड मेडल हासिल किया था. He also won gold medals in the 3 miles events at the 1958 and 1962 Commonwealth Games. In Commonwealth Games उसने 3 miles इवेंट को जीत कर 3 miles इवेंट इन 1958 and 1962 उसमें भी उसने सर मुरे हलबर्ग ने गोल्ड मेडल हासिल किया था. He has worked for the welfare of children with disabilities since he founded the Halberg Trust in 1963. He himself was a disabled person with one hand. So after that, when he got the destination, his goals, he opened the Halberg Trust to help the poor children who were disabled with their different parts of the body. So in this way, Halberg ने एक सोशल वर्क के द्वारा भी सब पीपल का मन जीतने में सफल हुआ था. सो ही उसने 1963 में क्या किया, अपना नाम का हलबर्ग ट्रस्ट भी उसने अपना स्थापना किया, ऑर्गेनाइज किया. एंड दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ सर मुरे हलबर्ग. एंड नाउ लेट अस सी, let us go through some details, information, personal information. Birth name Murray Gordon Halberg, born 7 July 1933. At the age of 86 he died. Ekantahona, New Zealand. Sport coached by Bud Penny, Arthur Lydiard. ये आर्थर लिडियर्ड हम लोग ये कोर्स में, ये जब हम लोग स्टोरी पढ़ेंगे अथवा इसके बारे में बायोग्राफी पढ़ेंगे तो उस टाइम पे भी हम लोग ये कोच के नाम पढ़ना पड़ेगा. एंड ही वाज द कोच बर्ड पेनी एंड आर्थर लिडियर्ड. नाउ लेट अस सी सम अचीवमेंट, व्हाट ही अचीवमेंट एंड टाइटल्स व्हाट ही गॉट. लेट अस सी achievement and titles. Personal best 1 mile 3:57.7. These are all the achievement that he got during his time. You can read it out, you can see it. Now slowly and slowly you can see. Now let us see another what is there. These are the record, medal record. Now you can see all these. Dear student, to know something about the person of whom we are going to read, it is very necessary. So in today's class, I have given you some information about Sir Murray Halberg. So we'll be continuing the Lap of Honor, chapter 4 in next classes. During this time, you can present yourself. You can present yourself with the clear, short biography of Sir Murray Halberg. That means you can prepare a short paragraph about Sir Murray Halberg. Dear student, this much for today. We will be continuing our chapters from the next classes. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you.